Hey, welcome back once again, dear Wandering Minds learners. Today we will learn about Thomaslodge means about me. Thomaslodge was a versatile and prolific English writer of the Elizabethan age. I was born in London around 1557 and educated at Merchant Taylors' School and Trinity College, Oxford. After leaving Oxford, I studied law at Lincoln's Inn, but I soon turned to a career in writing. I wrote in a variety of genres, including poetry, drama, prose fiction, and translations. I am best known for my prose, romance Rosalind, Euphues' Golden Legacy, 1590, which was the source of Shakespeare's play As You Like It. I means Thomaslodge also wrote a number of other popular romances, including Euphues' Shadow, 1592, The Life of Robert, 2nd Duke of Normandy, 1591, and Phyllis, honoured with pastoral sonnets, elegies, and amorous delights, 1593. In addition to my romances, I also wrote a number of plays, including The Wounds of Civil War, 1587, and A Looking Glass for London and England, 1594, which he co-wrote with Robert Greene. He also wrote a number of non-fiction works, including An Alarum Against Usurers, 1584, Wits Miserii, and The World's Madness, 1596, and A Treatise of the Plague, 1603. Thomaslodge was a highly skilled and adaptable writer. I was able to write in a variety of styles, from the euphuistic prose of my romances to the blank verse of my plays. I was also a keen student of classical and Renaissance literature, and I drew on this knowledge in my own writing. Lodge's works were popular in my own time, and they have continued to be read and studied by scholars and readers ever since. I am considered to be one of the most important and versatile writers of the Elizabethan age. Dear Wandering Minds learners, here is a brief introduction to some of my means. Thomaslodge's most notable works. Now we will start with Rosalind, Euphues' Golden Legacy, 1590. This prose romance is the source of Shakespeare's play As You Like It. It tells the story of Rosalind and Rosalind, two young women who flee to the Forest of Arden after their lives are threatened. In the forest, they encounter a variety of characters, including the shepherd Corin, the hunter Silvius, and the melancholy Orlando. The romance is known for its witty dialogue, its idyllic setting, and its exploration of themes such as love, gender, and identity. To the Wounds of Civil War, 1587. This tragedy tells the story of the Wars of the Roses, a series of civil wars that plagued England in the 15th century. The play focuses on the rivalry between the houses of Lancaster and York, and it depicts the devastating consequences of civil war. 3. A Looking Glass for London and England, 1594. This morality play was written in collaboration with Robert Greene. It tells the story of two corrupt merchants, Jonas and Gerontus, who are punished for their greed and wickedness. The play is a cautionary tale about the dangers of materialism and sin. 4. Wits Miserii and the World's Madness, 1596. This satirical prose work is a critique of Elizabethan society. Lodge attacks a variety of vices, including greed, lust, and pride. He also calls for reform of the church and the government. 5. A Marguerite of America, 1596. This is one of Lodge's earliest works, a narrative that tells the story of a shipwrecked Englishman's adventures in South America. 6. Catharos Diogenes, 1591. A philosophical and satirical work, this text reflects Lodge's exploration of philosophical ideas and wit. Various plays and poems. Lodge also wrote and collaborated on several plays and poems during my time, contributing to the literary and dramatic scene of the late 16th century. My means Thomaslodge works were also influential in my own time and beyond. For example, my prose romance. Rosalind was the source of Shakespeare's play As You Like It, and his play A Looking Glass for London and England is considered to be one of the most important morality plays of the Elizabethan era. My Lodge's writing is characterized by its elegance, its wit, and its moral seriousness. He was a master of both prose and verse, and he was able to write in a variety of styles depending on the genre of the work he was writing. Now we'll see the next important feature of me, that is translation work. Lodge was also involved in translation. I translated Joseph's History of the Destruction of Jerusalem into English. Now we see euphuism. In my early works are known for my use of euphuism, a style characterized by elaborate and artificial language, complex sentence structures, and a focus on wit and rhetoric. My writings contributed to the popularity of this style in Elizabethan literature. Dear Wondering Minds learners, now we learn some of my other notable works include poetry. Works include 1 Sille's Metamorphosis, 1589, 2 Phyllis, honoured with pastoral, 3 sonnets, elegies, and madrigals, 1593, 4 A Fig for Momus, 1595, drama. Works include 1 The Wounds of Civil War, 1594, 2 A Looking Glass for London and England, 1594, co-written with Robert Greene. Prose fiction. Works include 1 Euphues Shadow, 1592, 2 The Life and Death of William Longbeard, 1593, 3 A Marguerite of America of 1596, Piare d'Osto. My works are known for my lyrical beauty, my wit and humour, and my exploration of themes such as love, loss, and redemption. I am a master of the pastoral genre, and my works help to define the English Renaissance romance. In addition to my literary works, Lodge was also a successful physician and translator. He translated the works of several classical authors, including Josephus and Seneca. That's about it, dear Wondering Minds learners. I hope all of you enjoying this small lecture on most important Elizabethan literary figure Thomaslodge means about me. Time to time, we'll coming back with another important literary figures of literature. If all of you like, then share it to your friends and connect with us. And for Test Yourself, all of you can join our Telegram group for daily quizzes at 9 p.m. with topic-wise, unit-wise PYQ series and explanation. Thanks for watching us.